Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your username on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the dashboard of TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see profile picture at top right corner. Just hover over there and now you'll be able to see the view profile option at top. Just click on it and now you'll be redirected to your profile page where you can see edit profile options on the screen. Just click on it. Now finally you can see the username and you can modify or change your username from here. So let's say, let me change it. And now simply click on save and you'll be able to change your username successfully. So basically this is how you can change your username on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.